Everyone. Today we will learn about the different electrical and electronic symbols. As we know that there are different types of the electronic symbols like resistors, capacitors, diodes, inductors. Apart from this, if I talk about the electrical, there are different things like motor, generators. We have different safety devices like MCB, ELCB, fuse, wires, earthing, groundings. So we will try to understand and we will try to look at some of these devices. Now let us start with the experiment. Let us start with the experiment. Basically this is your diode. As we know that this PN junction diode is used as a rectifier circuit. As you can see that there are two terminals of this PN junction diode. This terminal which is connected to the black portion is your anode, and the portion which is connected with the cathode or the silver portion is your cathode. Now this is basically your capacitor. As we know that the function of the capacitor is to store the energy or to store the charge. There are two terminals of the capacitor. One is the positive and another is the negative. So we can identify based on the legs. As we can see that one leg is greater compared to the another leg. So the leg that is greater will be your positive polarity and the leg that is shorter will be your negative polarity. Or for the negative polarity you can see the mark that is here. It will be negative, that means this is your negative polarity. The next is your transformer. So this is basically the step down transformer. Its function is to convert the voltage that will be given to the supply side. This transformer is basically 230 by 12. That means this side 230 volt will be converted into 12 volt that we will obtain in this side. In this portion we will be having different windings, that is your primary winding and that is the secondary windings. These are the different cells and the batteries. Basically this is your cell, and by making the different arrangement of the cell we can make the battery. Its function is to give the supply, or we can say that the DC supply of the 9 volt to the required circuit. Now let us see the safety devices. Generally we have three different types of the safety devices that we make use in at our premises: fuse, MCB and ELCB. So basically this is our MCB, that stands for miniature circuit breaker. Its function is to protect under abnormal conditions like overload or overcurrent condition and short circuit condition. So as we can see that this is our 4-pole MCB. Simply pole means the number of wires that can be fed to the MCB. Here we can see that we can fed total 4 wires, first, second, third and fourth. That's why this type of the MCB is known as 4-pole MCB. Here you can see the different types of the marking. C25, this 25 represents the rating of the current. C indicates which class of MCB is this. Here you can see this is the line side, means here the input will be given from the meter, and this is the load side, means this terminal will be connected to the load. Basically this is our multimeter. The name suggests that it will perform the multiple functions like measurement of the voltage, current, resistance, diode, transistor, frequency, capacitors and many more. This is our breadboard. In this breadboard we can connect the different types of the circuits. This is our soldering wire. For example, if we want to make the circuit in our PCB, so we will use this type of the soldering iron, and for making the connection with the help of the soldering iron we will make use of this soldering wire. And basically these are the different types of the wires. So basically this is the wire across which the electrons will flow, or simply we can say that there will be the flow of the current. This is the simplest of the resistor. Its function is to resist the current. Apart from this, In this subject we will also see the different types of the devices like inductors, capacitors, different types of the resistors. This is only one type of the resistor. We will make use of many more such type of the resistors.